Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal, and today we'll be looking at lead code 58, which is length of the last word. Okay, let us first read through the problem. Okay, so given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. Okay, a word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. Okay, basically it has given us a string and we have to return the length of the last word. Okay, so here you can see that hello world, world is the last word and we have to return its length. Similarly, fly me to the moon. So we have to ignore these spaces, the trailing spaces, the starting and the trailing spaces, and just return the length of the last word of the string. So here moon is the last word, so we have to return the length of the moon, that is 4. Okay. Okay. I hope it is understood. Let us start coding. So first of all, we need to strip the spaces, the beginning and the ending or the trailing spaces. So how do you do that? We do that using the strip function. This dot strip. Okay. This will remove the spaces from the starting and from the ending. Then we need to split it. So we are split across the spaces. Okay. And now we just need to return the length of the last word. Okay. The last word is basically -1. Negative indexing will give us the last word, and the length of it will result in the length of that last word. Okay. So let us see. We'll try to run this code. I hope it works. Great. It returns 5 and let me submit. I think it will get accepted. Great. It got accepted. So I hope you guys understood. Please like and subscribe to my channel and we'll meet again next time. Thank you.